Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2021 Jeep Compass. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Show them your style in the Compass. Get behind the wheel and go.